throughout the day for Savannah. We've had a mix of clouds and sunshine and dry conditions out there, but that's not the case everywhere. Some of our inland communities are dealing with some very heavy rain, especially out into Appling County and into the border of Wayne County, where we do have a pretty large cell that has developed, producing a lot of lightning just north of Brentwood. Heavy rain setting up along 341. That cell is slowly moving, so we do expect there to be some high rainfall rates, so be careful on the roadways. We could have some ponding issues out there. Into Tattnall County to have some heavier rain setting up as well along US 25, starting to settle down as far as not as much lightning associated with that cell, but it is still producing some lightning and also some heavier rain. Same thing for what we are dealing with over Claxton and Evans County. Daisy, Camp Oliver looking at some heavier rain. Bullitt County starting to dry out now, just a little bit of that heavier rain still on the west side or southwesterly side of Statesboro at the moment. Along 25 we do have that heavier rain setting up, and where the rain has been heavy, it certainly has been coming down in buckets just outside of our area to the north of Nahunta. Almost 2.5 inches of rain, 2 inches estimated for southern Wayne County as far as what Viper radar is estimating. Also portions of Tattnall County, 2.5 inches of rain over the past 6 hours. So definitely a soaking beneficial rain for us this afternoon. And where the rain also is setting up, it definitely helped to cool some locations off. Pembroke down to 79 degrees, 87 degrees though for us here in Savannah. Of course, things were staying on the drier side for us today, and it has been pretty hot and humid feeling out there, so feels like temperatures are in the lower 90s for us right now. As we look ahead to tomorrow, we do add in the chance again for some showers and storms during the afternoon hours, starting off the day dry with temperatures in the 70s, climbing to the upper 80s to lower 90s for the afternoon, with the scattered storms setting up, and they will continue into the early evening hours. And once again, as we lose the daytime heating, the rain chances will gradually diminish. High pressure is in control over the southeast, keeping more of the deeper tropical moisture to the south, and this is an area that the Hurricane Center is actually watching for potential tropical development over the next 5 to 7 days, giving it a 20% chance of developing as it drifts over Florida and eventually into the Atlantic Ocean. So it is something that we'll be watching out for, but it looks like more of the heavier rain will be an issue for Florida, where 6 and 7 inches of rain or more are certainly not out of the question north of Tampa. As far as this evening, Vipercast indicates that we will continue to have those showers and storms for the next few hours. By 9 and 10 o'clock, it looks like the radar will be mainly clear, setting us up for a partly cloudy sky for tonight with dry conditions as we start Tuesday, and that will prevail as we head into the mid-morning hours. Lots of cloud cover will be with us around lunchtime, but then it's by 2 and 3 o'clock when those storm chances will start to pick up for us again, and that will continue into the early evening hours as well. So certainly keep an eye to the sky if you're going to be out and about. 74 for the low temperature for tonight, with those storms ending through the evening hours. Then for tomorrow, 90 for the high temperature here in Savannah. Some spots will be a little hotter, and certainly will be feeling a little hotter out there when you factor in the humidity. For the boaters, it's going to be a breezy day out there. A southerly wind 15 to 20 knots, giving us seas 3 to 4 feet. So perhaps not the best boating day for us, and that'll be the case for the next few days because of those thunderstorm chances. And if you are going to be doing anything on the 4th of July, make sure you do have a plan B and keep an eye to the sky, because that potential for showers and storms during the late afternoon into the evening hours. But overall, the chances will begin to back off a little bit, but they come back going into next week.
All right, thank you so much. Well, in view